What is, I haven't even looked. What's Bitcoin, like 100? Bitcoin's at 65,000. Bitcoin's at 65,000. That, you know what we're going to end up having? We're going to have all these Bitcoin like billionaires and all the rich people who just bought Bitcoin and didn't do anything else with their life. They literally just buy Bitcoin, and you see them and they're buying apartments, cars, bees, throwing around money, acting like the cock walk. It's like, what'd you do? Oh, I bought Bitcoin. Oh, nice. 65,000 for Bitcoin. Bitcoin depresses me. Like, I respect it. I don't know how I haven't made $1 billion in Bitcoin. And I've made nothing. I've lost. I'm the only guy. How do you lose on Bitcoin? How do you lose on Bitcoin? How do you be behind on Bitcoin? I am. I don't know how. How do you believe in Bitcoin? And the Michael Saylor, the price you get, the price.
So in this clip here, we're showing you, this is Dave Portnoy, and he's telling you that he didn't hodl. That's the answer to his question. How do you make money in Bitcoin? You just hold on for dear life. He sold his Bitcoin. Don't let this be you. Before we get started, we have 3 seats left at this price. This price will go up. We appreciate all your guys' support. We're making calls in our Patreon, so we're hoping you're not missing out on this. Here's one call right here, a trade alert. We called out a trade alert. You guys want to get a little bit of D-Jenny and start taking trades from the Bitcoin bros? We are here with you. And here it is right here, the Solana trade. You can do this at juke.ag. And right now, we just played, $1,000. And right now, we're up about $800 on the trade. Right now, it's running. Solana's looking pretty good. So we'll keep you posted on how this goes. But you would have got this call earlier today if you'd be part of our Patreon. So make sure that you go there and sign up. It's in our link tree and linked below. Take a look at the Bitcoin price chart. The current time it's recording is coming in at 68.3. We're recording this a day early because we got some traveling and some stuff going on tomorrow. But will we hit an all-time high today? This is pre-recorded, so once again, March 4th, pre-recorded, 68.3K. How far are we from the previous all-time high? Look at this. We're going to zoom into the price action. We actually wicked up roughly to about 68.5 almost. So from the previous all-time high to where we are right now is less than 1% away. So look at this. What happens after all-time highs? Blast off and up and to the right. We've already been going up and to the right, but you guys have to be patient and understand that once you break previous resistance, that is price discovery, and there's clear buying pressure. And right here, this is what's detailing this. All the 11 ETF volumes as of Monday, March 4th. Look at these astronomical volume levels. This is why the price is getting pushed up. And retail might be getting ready to come back into the game. As you see on the Google Trends, we're seeing this trend upwards. Now, you'll see this on 100 if you look over the past week, but look over the past 5 years, because then you can see the previous run up. And this is when pure euphoria and pure FOMO in the markets actually takes place. So are we getting ready to stair step up towards that 100 threshold over the next month or two going into the Bitcoin halving? This is extremely exciting. And take a look at the overall crypto market capitalization. Zooming in, the overall market cap is up to $2.46 trillion. And look at here, we see on this chart, where do we anticipate this to go? So we have the fib extensions on this. Let's shrink this. How we pull this? We pulled this from the previous swing high to the previous swing low. That's how we get these extensions. In the past run up, we hit the previous technical target, 1.618 at 2.765 perfectly in this retracement here. Now, where is the next level? The 2.272 is at $10.9 trillion. Could we hit that by going up to the top part of this parallel channel? Could we overshoot that? Between 10 and $20 trillion for the overall crypto market capitalization is definitely doable and definitely in the cards. So could we shoot up to this and hit $11.5 trillion by July? Is that realistic? Like we showed you, Google Trends, retail is just starting to wake up a little bit, but they're still not in the game yet. So could this happen in the next 3 or 4 months? That would be a parabolic rally to the upside. Another update, looking at Glassnode, see what's happening with Bitcoin on exchanges. The exchange volume continues to move down and down and down while the price continues to go up and up and up. Eventually, this Bitcoin will run out. What will these exchanges do? Well, we hope that you packed your bags, because we've been telling you for years that the big boys are coming, and they're here. And they're still pushing FUD like this in the markets, even though it's already started. Check out this clip.
Over 67,000. We're approaching all-time highs, Mr. Weiss.
Yep.
It's another 7% today. What's behind this other than momentum?
There's still no use
Risk
case.
on.
Well, there are a few things. Momentum. Kramer came out today and said he thinks it's because people trust fiat currencies less because of everybody's upside down is in debt to GDP. I don't really think that's the case. I just don't think they're that big deeper. Sure, there's a small element that believes that all economies, all sovereigns are going to hell, so they're going to hide Bitcoin. That's not it. It's purely the marketing power right now, BlackRock or Fidelity, and more to come. But to show you how ridiculous it is, Bitcoin isn't even the top performing currency. I think Bite the Dog, or whatever the hell that currency's name, is up 400%.
So whoever this gentleman is right here, we're not even going to name him on our video, but this guy right here seemed to have missed the boat, and he seems pretty mad about it. So he's saying there's no intrinsic value. Bitcoin is digital gold. Don't listen to what they say. We've been saying this in previous videos. Be careful to who you listen to. And here's another update. This is from None Your Business, Bitcoin Monthly. Look at the previous cycle runs once all-time highs were passed. Just parabolicness to the upside. Parabolicness to the upside. What is to come? We've already broken this level, so what's the next month's going to bring? Major moves. We hope you're prepared. And with that, before you guys leave, if you haven't checked this out yet, go to our Patreon. It's pinned below, patreon.com/Bitcoin Bros. We're engaged. You can ask any question. If you want a specific TA video or a signal as to when you should be getting out of these markets or when it's getting too overheated, well, that's where you got to go. So check us out there. Once again, this trade alert we called out 9 hours ago. Checking on it really quick. We made a little bit of money during this video, up $900 in this trade. Not anything crazy. We did a 40x long on Solana, playing with the markets, just getting out there. You guys want these calls? Make sure you join our Patreon. With that, I'm Sean with the Bitcoin Bros. You guys like this content, go ahead and smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and show us some love. We appreciate all your support. And with that, that's all I have for you today. And I'm out.